Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another sit down video. And now these are my yearly sit downs for the best and worst of skincare and makeup. I've been doing this for the past 3 years. This will be my third year and I love doing these. I make a roundup of all the products I've been using throughout the year and get to what is the best and worst. In today's video, however, I will be doing best and worst in one video because like you can see, I am not that well. I am still trying to recuperate from all the travels that I've done. But I'm going to do this video. This is my yearly round off. This is my ode to all the products that I've used throughout the years and I absolutely love these. There are a few products I might not love as well, so I will be talking to you guys a lot about it. So without any further ado, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Aarati. I make lifestyle and beauty content here on YouTube. If you like such kind of videos, go ahead, hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. It'll mean a lot to me. And without any further ado, let's get started! Alrighty, starting off, today's video is all about skincare. So I'm going to talk about the best and worst. I'm going to club it together and I'm going to pick up random products. I have a lot of like 10 products over here. So let's get started. The first product I have is a cleanser and the one that I'll absolutely go back to using is a Cetaphil's Oil Skin. I always go back to using the Cetaphil's Oily Skin Cleanser. I really like it. It's very mild. But on those days that I have heavy makeup on, I like to go in with another cleanser. I use the Pilgrim's Tea Tree Face Wash that I really like. But this is my absolute favorite. I will be definitely using this. This has been with me for 2 years now. Love it. Now coming to a product that I don't like so much is the Bioderm's Atoderm. This is their intensive balm. This is for ultra soothing skin for very dry, irritated to... Give me a second, please. Where was I? Now this one is for very dry. I usually like to carry it on my travel, but I realized that it kind of gets very oily for me. So personally, I like to use it only during winters and not during summers. And this is for very dry skin. I have a very dry T-zone, so I kind of use it on the corners of my nose. Works like that for me. But as a moisturizer as a whole, not a fan of this because it's very... It's for dry skin and mine is not a dry skin. Mine is oily. Like you can see clearly, I use the Oily Skin Cleanser. So I know that they do their Sunsi Bio version. I'm going to try that next time. Personally for me, I think only for dry skin you can use it. If you're somebody who's trying out new moisturizers, is not a fan. Don't like it. Alrighty, coming to a moisturizer I do love is the Earth Rhythms Phyto Repair. This has vitamin C and Matrixyl 3000 for advanced cell repair. Now this is something I really like. It has a very nice pump packaging and all of that, and I really like the way it kind of moisturizes my skin. It is also a little more thicker based, but I like how soft it makes my skin. This is manageable is my opinion. I really like this. The next product that I'm not a fan of is the MCaffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. Now this, as a product, I love it. Absolutely love it. But the problem with this is its packaging. One, because it's a tiny travel size, when your hands are wet in the washroom, I cannot remove this one. And secondly, if a little bit of water goes into it, it becomes that gooey, like our coffee powder consistency. And I feel like, I can use my coffee powder more than this. The next product I love is the Argan Oil. Now this is the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco. I love using this. This gives my hair that extra shine and I feel like this is doing much better to my hair. So I love it. It's absolutely nice. The next product I like to travel with is this. This is the Close-Ups. It's like a spray format just for like bad breath, and I feel like in airports this is the best thing. It just tastes like Close-Up. I'm not particular about the smell of Close-Up and all of that, but I feel like this gives like a good smell for when your teeth are smelling, when you have bad breath. The next product I have loved and I fell in love with is the Pilgrim's Squalane and Peppermint Lip Scrub. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I received it recently in PR, but I love this so much. I have been using it and even Lalit uses this. It's in my bathroom 24 hours. And because I wear very matte lips, like you can see, I like exfoliating my lips every 2 days. Absolutely beautiful. And this tub is for like around, I feel like this is below 500 bucks. I love it so much, you guys. This is the best one. With that, I like to use the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This has been my favorite for years now. From the day I have realized that Laneige does best lip balms, I have never gone back to buying any other lip mask. Love this so much. I buy the 500 ones because I feel like these are very small and tiny, but I feel the 1000 ones have like a glass packaging, and I feel like I might drop it because considering I put this on my bedside table, I feel like I might kick it. So I just like buying this. I have almost, like, I love digging into this. Love how beautiful it is. It gives you that good thick formula that you need your lips to hydrate. I use it in the morning, I use it in the night, I use it every time. It's not necessary that I should use it in the night, but this is my absolute lip care combo routine. Another lip balm that I like to carry on a daily basis, like I like to put it in my bag, or I like to like catch it around and go, is the Burt's Bees lip balm. I have a collection of these lip balms. These are $4.93 for a very tiny amount, but I like the honey variant, and I do like to, it smells like honey, you guys. I love it so much. This is what I like to use on a daily basis. If I feel like this is much thicker and I want something very light, I will be using this. Love this one as well. Coming to a product that I'm not so impressed by is the Earth Rhythms 100% Squalene. This is the plant-based. This is their plant-based squalene. It has hydrating and plumping, whatever that is. The problem with this is I like the formula. I like everything. The packaging sucks so bad because whenever I pump it like this, like it's the end of it, right? So whenever I pump it like this, can you see? It leaks from the side. So I have to like literally clean it from the side. I like the formula. I like how soft it is. It makes my skin absolutely soft. Love it. It's a very lightweight oil. I can use it on a daily basis. The packaging, not so much. I'm not a fan of it. The next product I have is a hair mask. Now this is the Pilgrim's Argan Oil hair mask. I love this so much. If you've seen like a bathroom tour that I've given in one of my vlogmases, you'll know I am completely done with this. This smells really good. I love this product so much. It gives my hair that amount of nourishment and hydration. Love this one so much. Now coming to deodorants, I have 3 sets of deodorants right here. The first one I have is a roll-on, and that is the Nivea roll-on. This is their black and white invisible silky smooth. I got this from Sweden. Most of the Nivea roll-ons that I use, I always used to get that itchy feeling, but this does not give me that. I love this for that reason. Love it. The next perfume that I have is the Victoria's Secret's Love Spell. Love it so much. This reminds me of my childhood when my mama used to get this from US. You could not get it in India. Love it. It smells amazing. Absolutely reminds me of my childhood. This is like a nostalgic fragrance for me. Again, I got it from a cruise in Finland. Love it. And love the cruise as well. Another affordable one I have is the Plum's Body Loving Vanilla Vibes. This smells like vanilla. No matter what, you can smell like a vanilla cupcake in this. I love it so much. Alrighty, we're down to the last couple of products. The first one I want to talk to about is a sunscreen. The one that I have here is the Dermaco's 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel. Now this is a very gel-like consistency and it has no white cast. It literally melts into the skin. Love how nice it is. I like using this from somebody who does not use sunscreen on a daily basis. From the day I got this, I've been using it 24/7. Love it so much. It's really good. On the other hand, another sunscreen I've fallen in love with is the Vaseline sunscreen stick. This has SPF 50, PA+++. This has 4 pluses. Even this is an SPF 50, right? Yeah, this is SPF 50 with PA+++. All of my sunscreens are SPF 50. This is how the sunscreen is. Love it. I've been using it a lot. I use the sunscreen under my face. I have 2 of these sunscreens. One I use it on my face, the other one on the body so that it's easier for me. So whenever I'm going into nowadays I'm going into the pool a lot more. So I feel like using that as a sunscreen is much better. It does not like tan me too much. But these are my favorite sunscreens. I really wanted to do like a separate video of it. I will be doing that. I do have a lot more sunscreens. But these are the 2 sunscreens I've fallen in love with. And the moisturizer I'm in love with during the winter seasons is the Parachutes body oil. This has olive and almond. Love it so much. It's so lightweight. It has a little bit of like parachute fragrance to it, but I'm okay with it. I really like this. And this is for like 135 rupees. I love it so much. This, all the glow on my face you're seeing every day on my body, is this. Love it. These are all the products that I have been loving. Few of the products that did not work for me in 2022. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It'll mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.